For the first locomotor movement, it's gonna be walking, like putting your one foot for another, then going to point A to point B. It's literally our daily lives of movement. And the next one is gonna be fast and fast-paced, and it's gonna be running. And the next one's gonna be skipping, like this. And it's like putting your place in one foot like this, and the other like that, and like this.
So moving on, for our next locomotive movement, we have hopping. So hopping is basically jumping off with one foot while the other foot is on the ground, like this. So next one is jumping. Jumping is jumping from point A to point B. Jumping with both feet on the ground, like this. Next one is leaping. So leaping is basically jumping with one foot and leaping like this.
The next one is gonna be galloping. It's like a horse-like movement. And skipping, like similar to skipping, but like this, like a horse. And the next one is gonna be sliding. It's like evading an object, and like in basketball, like this. And that's all for the locomotor movements. Thank you.
Now we have striking, swinging an object to hit another. Like this.
Now, I will demonstrate you another example of manipulative movement. Kicking is when you use your feet to push or hit an object, like this. Now, I will demonstrate you the last example of manipulative movement. Redirecting an object in the air is when you change its direction or path before it lands or reaches a target.
Now we have non-locomotor. First example of non-locomotor is bending. It is moving a joint to decrease the angle between two parts of the body. First example is moving our knee. And next, moving our elbow. It is a controlled movement used to reach an object, such as this ball. For the next one is...
Okay, for the second part, we're going to talk about pushing. Pushing is where you bring an object away from your body by using your shoulders and arms. Okay, for this demo, we're going to use our force to transport to this object like this. For the third part, we're going to talk about pulling. Pulling is basically the opposite of pushing. It's where you bring an object towards your body by using your shoulders and arms, by using the bending movement like this. Okay?
And for the fourth part, we have stretching. It is moving a body part or your whole body away from the center mass. One example is moving your hips, such as this one. It is used to improve flexibility and to prepare a body for an action or activity.
Another non-locomotor movement, turning. To face a new direction or turn the whole body like this.
So that was our presentation, and once again we are the group 4, and that is all. Thank you for watching.